Okay. I'm making a vlog because some friends of mine make a vlog, which is really great. They're called Gracefulcoconut, so you should check them out. Segue. My point was, no, still don't remember my point. Segue. Right, my point was that I'm going to make a vlog because I'm offended that they didn't immediately ask me to play a leading role in their vlog every week. I'm just kidding. But actually though, yeah, I'm gonna make my own vlog, and I'm probably just gonna sing in it because that's all I like doing, and the world should hear my voice. It's just the way it is. Uh-huh. Because life's like that. Uh-huh. It's the way it is. Think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just some dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? Or ask the grinning polecat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you, and for once never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends, and we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hoop that never ends. How high will the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, for whether we are white or copper-skinned, you need to sing with all the voices of the mountains. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still all you'll own is a frontier. You can paint with all the colors of the